inyong tanan. Magandang hapon. Good evening. Ako si Marjorie Fabio Ringabo. Nagrepresentai ang banong mangga dun sa kultura at tradisyon. Banong kung sabihin ng mga tao ay tudok na malapit sa ating Ginong Diyos. Banong pinalangga, tuyo. Hello, good afternoon. Good evening once again. Honestly, I didn't prepare any speeches for this because honestly, it's all unexpected to be here in front of you. Because I'm here for, honestly, I'm here for my review because I will be having my board exam this upcoming February for criminologist licensure examination. So, yes, I dream to represent our municipality here at Subarao, at Miss Subarao Festival Queen. However, I really plan it maybe next year or next year because my priority right now is my board exam. However, opportunity knocks only once. That's why I grab it, and I'm here. I am honored to serve as your Miss Subarao Festival Queen if happen na mapala rin. Because this platform will give me the opportunity to show my advocacy, which is sustainable justice, and I want to show how it interconnect that. I want to show the interconnectedness of sustainable justice to our biodiversity, that through sustainable justice and a fair and just sustainable, we'll be able to have a healthier and more progressive biodiversity. As well as if we have a good biodiversity, we'll be having a just and more safe society.